Honda for an oil change. It's that time. And here we are. We'll see if we can get you a little tour of the inside while they're doing the work. And there's the garage. So here's the inside of an Indonesian Honda dealer. The service department. Kind of a grasp for the obvious. But there you go. And of course I found the air conditioner, which I'm going to be standing by for most of this wait. Feels great. There's a service department over there through the window, and you can kind of get a view of the dealership here, at least the downstairs. And they even have a snacks area, snacks and drinks. Here again we have the PCX, which is Honda's ultra luxury scooter. As you can see, it's got digital gauges, every feature you can get in the scooter. And a really, really big seat, so we can technically get all four of us easily on something this size. Really, really nice, but one of these will cost about 45 million rupiah, whereas we paid a little under 17 for our Honda Beat. But yeah, this is the luxury version from Honda, and then Yamaha makes a luxury version called the X-Max that is very similar to this one. A lot of random empty land in between businesses, as you can see looking out the back window of the Honda dealer. Although I suppose they're growing rice out there. This here is the Honda Vario 150. So this is the biggest motor you can get in the Vario model. Kind of sporty, not too big of a seat, almost about the same size seat as our Beat. But we've got just a 110. Really nice gauge layout on the new one. And then, of course, this one has the idle stop, just like ours. A lot of things very similar. This one has auto seat release, which we don't have. Really nice controls over here. But this one is about 23.5 million rupiah. This is another Vario, but the 125. Very similar features, including the auto seat release and the idling stop. And I want to show you something that's different than ours. On our Beat, we don't have these rear blinkers. They're built right into, on ours, they're built right into this light unit. But it's kind of nice. Also, the exhaust on this one. They changed the style of the exhaust tip on the Varios. Enthusiasts and racers here in Indonesia, they get one of these little 150 manuals and they mod them like crazy. But this is one of their preferred bikes. So this here is, actually I'm not sure, but it's the first hybrid that I've ever seen here before. It's rather large. We could fit all four of us on that seat. I really like that rear light. That's a nice style. Must be just a 110 gas motor if there's an electric motor fitting in there as well. But it's nice. This here is the new Honda Beat, which we have, only ours is a 2017. But it's pretty much the same. Nothing's changed except a few different paint color choices. And yeah, same gauge cluster. This one doesn't have the idling stop like ours has. But you can pick this guy up for about 16.8 right now, 16.8 million rupiah. These next to it, these Honda Scoopies, these are favorites here in Indonesia. Many people get these. They're about 18 million rupiah. They all come with a 110, and they have a big seat and a big front end with the old style headlight. And so they're great for families with kids, and economical for families with kids. Not too sporty looking, however, they did come out with this really nice paint job back in 2018 that I really like. But yeah, these are very popular here. Got an old style looking gauge cluster, but it does have automatic seat release, and it does have the idling stop as well. But there you go, Honda Scoopy. It is Scoopy-licious. Bye bye, Honda Dealer. Got fresh oil and whatever kilometer maintenance all done. Done. Don't have to worry about that again for a long time. And off we go now to stock up on drinks for the house. JFC, not KFC. Well, this is always a fun little mess here. Everybody's converging to go one way or another. Here's our local Pertamina and ATM. This is where we got stuck in the rain in the other video recently. It was right under that awning over there. And then this road here turns right back into our neighborhood. Anyone want to take a guess? Laundry. Yeah, we have to pick up our laundry. It's been sitting here since I've been in Perth. So I'm happy to get my other pair of beige pants back. But, oh, where's my cows? It must be, yeah, my cows are back that way, so we're not going to see them today. That's a really neat looking bug that I've never seen before. Should I touch it? Is it poisonous? Oh hell, it's dead. Poor thing. Yeah, it's dead, mama. Alright, so we picked up our laundry. See how much stuff you can fit in front of these scooters? Anyway, now we stopped at the fresh fruit cart guy. Mama wants some fruit. And we're right underneath the big pear tree. So we found right next door, there's the Boxo and snack guy. The Boxo are these goofy looking meatball things here, and then hard-boiled eggs. And then these are the fried snacks. These are kind of like the ones I like, but they have noodles mixed with the vegetables. But I'm getting the fried wonton looking ones today, which I had at the beach on the last video, which were so good. So since they're here anyway, I'm grabbing some for 5,000 rupees. Same day, but nighttime. And off for tonight's dinner ride. Another takeout dinner night because, well, we're trying to save some money and it's actually really cheap to get takeout dinner in the neighborhood. Oh, there's a big truck for our street. You don't see trucks that big too often in Indonesia. So that was fun. I've always wondered how this Serene guest house is. Serene.
Expensive.
Expensive. No rain today or tonight. Really, really hot day, but cooling down a little bit. Nice breeze right now. And the first place we are going to check is a potential bakso place that, oh, it looks like it's open, Mama.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, finally open. Yeah, this is the place we've been waiting for. It was closed for a few days. I don't eat bakso, but Mama does. So it's this little shack right here. So, alright, we're here. So I got a comment recently on one of the videos that said I should be in them more. And so, let's give it a shot. Alright, so this is our apartment. This is Ganita. Come walk with me. This is the east side. So there's a building there, and there's a building there. But our building is actually on the other side of this building, meaning we face west, so we can look at the sunset each night, which is really, really cool. But yeah, this is it. And then this is one of the smaller carports here. And then, if you don't mind, I want to show you something. If we could ever have a car here in Indonesia, this would be the one I want. This is the Honda Brio with the IV Tech 1.2 liter. Perfect because it's 4 doors, but very, very small and good on gas. And you need a very small car here to be able to maneuver around the very busy and narrow streets of Bali, especially here in Denpasar. But it gets much easier when you get out into the woods and out into the mountains and whatnot. Okay, let me show you the next thing. Keep following me. Oh, and in case you can't tell, I had a few bintangs tonight, so, you know, gotta have a few bintangs when you're in Bali. Come on. So over here we have the resto, okay, which is basically restaurant because many of the words are similar to English words. And you can see the cafe resto Ganita. So that's the resto, and there's a karaoke set up there, so you can do karaoke, and it'll come up on the screen there, and they'll cook you foods. There's a menu, bring you a beer, whatever you need. We got all that there. Keep coming this way. This is another part of our parking lot here. And then inside here is the main office for our apartments. So we handle all the business and whatnot right in there. I buy my gym pass, rent and all that good stuff, and internet and electricity and whatnot. And that's about all for here. You can kind of see this way there is. That's the store where if our cooking gas runs out in the middle of the night, that's where I run over in my sandals and get new gas for a 1-burner stove. Right in that store over there because it's open all night, and those kids hang out there all night long. But they're really, really cool. They don't cause any trouble. They're really nice. So let's go back this way. Come on. Alright, so we're going to take a shortcut through the resto this time. Okay, come on this way. Wouldn't be complete now without fish. Okay. This is our parking area because all we have is a scooter. And so as you can see, there's motorbikes and scooters all down the way. So this is where we park. Which is very, very, very convenient because if you're coming this way, this, my friends, is the elevator to our floor. We're on the 3rd floor, which is the top floor of this particular building. And so let's rock and roll. Let's hit the elevator. Everybody in. Okay, so now we're gonna go up to the 3rd floor, and I hope you're liking this tour so far. Oh, it's probably a close-up of my face, but we're just gonna have to deal with it. And for those who want to know, my arm got fucked up recently, but I'm not gonna explain it because I don't want to get caught in quarantine in a new weird country. All right, come on, this is our floor. As you can see, there's nice artwork, right? And then this is the internet area, where all the internet is stationed from. It's going to be a little bit dark as we walk through here. That's Indonesian for haunted. When we come this way, and of course we have our 2 chairs outside for when we want to relax. And when we do relax, we just look right out there and we can see the nice sunset, or if it's raining or there's lightning or thunder, we can see all of it from right here. And every night I come out and I take a picture of the beautiful sunset right about at that time. Of course, right now it's like 9 or 10 at night, so it's dark. But anyway, this is our view, and it's facing exactly west. So, perfect. And that concludes this little mini tour, and that actually concludes this entire video. So I hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
Peace.